Ready? Oh, we're gonna do the clap again.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Lights are like, hey guys, it's Brad from Bodyliner. I can't wait to show you some brand new products we have coming out. The Bodyliner Flex line. Paint and clear coat, meant to be the exact same strength as paint protection film without needing paint protection film on top. But don't just take my word for it. Let's go to the gravelometer with a wide variety of cards, pound these things with rocks, and see how does Bodyliner Flex line hold up compared to paint protection film and regular automotive base coat clear coat. Okay, the results are here. We beat up the Flex line with the gravelometer, and we can see when we stack it up against automotive base coat clear coat, we can see that that has taken a pounding. We have a lot of marks down to substrate. Then we're moving over to our paint protection film. It did much better than base coat clear coat, but we still have marks all the way down to our substrate. Moving over to the Bodyliner Flex Clear, just on top of the exact same automotive base coat clear coat, we can see equal or even less damage than paint protection film without the worry of edges, peeling, yellowing. We have great advantages to the Bodyliner Flex Clear. Then we move over to our Bodyliner Flex Paint, and we can see in the Flex Paint, used as a single stage, the same amount of damage, if not less, than paint protection film. Moving one more time over to Bodyliner Flex Paint plus Bodyliner Flex Clear, the least damage out of the Flex line, and we can see significant damage saving compared to automotive base coat clear coat with paint protection film on top. But that's not the end of it. Let's see how much of this damage is just superficial. So we're gonna cut this card in half. We're gonna give half of it a quick polish to see what of this can be just polished away. No need for recoating, no need for new paint protection film, a quick polish to send you down the road. Let's see what that does. Okay, so we gave this stuff a quick wet sand and a polish. We polished on the regular base coat clear coat with almost no difference at all. Then we gave that paint protection film a quick wet sand and a polish. We were able to polish it back up. It didn't make any difference at all. Then we went over to the automotive base coat clear coat with our Bodyliner Flex Clear on top. And we can see significant amount of the damage disappeared just with a quick wet sand and polish. I'm talking less than 30 seconds to a minute of time put into that card. Then we move over to our single stage paint. Yes, our single stage paint can be polished. Unlike most other single stage paints that are out there, you can't polish on them because you polish away the metallic layer. Bodyliner Flex Paint has so much more strength, you can work it a lot harder before you polish away that metallic layer. Moving down to the Bodyliner Flex Paint plus the Bodyliner Flex Clear, when we wet sanded and polished, we have one single mark that has made it to substrate. The rest of all these marks practically disappeared, showing with the Bodyliner Flex line, if you'd like to just use this clear on top of your automotive base coat clear coat, we have more strength than paint protection film. If we're using it as a base clear, we beat paint protection film by over double, showing the Bodyliner Flex line can protect your vehicle. So look no further than Bodyliner for your protection needs.